Spreading out a mixture of a substance with another substance due to the motion of its particle called diffusion. What is diffusion? The spreading out of mixing of a substance with another substance due to the motion of its particle is called the diffusion. On the other hand, we are also going to know the movement of particle from higher concentration to lower concentration is called diffusion. Due to the high speed of particle and larger space between them, gases the property of diffusing very fast in other gases. The least rate of diffusion in solid compared to liquid and compared to gases. So in gaseous state, the particle move randomly at high rate due to the random movement of particle. The pressure exerted by the gas is because of this force exerted by the gas particle per unit area on the wall of container. So can matter change its shape? Matter can be exist in the three state: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state, as earlier we have going to be discussed. For example, water exists as a solid in the form of ice, as a liquid in the form of water, and in the gas in the form of water vapor or steam. We can change the physical state of matter in two ways: by changing the temperature or by changing the pressure. So first we are going to be discuss effect of change of temperature on the physical state of matter. So on increasing the temperature of solid, kinetic energy of particle increases because it directly proportional to the temperature. Due to the increase in the kinetic energy of particle, start vibrating with the greater speed. So energy supplied by heat overcome the force of attraction between the particle. So particle leave the fixed position and start moving freely by the heating. A stage is reached when the solid melts and it converts to the liquid is called the melting. The temperature at which a solid melts to form a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called the melting point. Like ice melt at a temperature of 0 degree Celsius to form liquid water. So melting point of ice is the 0 degree and melting point of iron is 1535 degrees Celsius. So the different type of substance, different type of matter have the different melting and boiling point. So melting point of a solid is a indicator of the strength of force of attraction between its particle. Those matter have the high force of attraction that show the high melting point. So the melting point of ice is the 273.16 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius. The process of melting, that is change the solid state into liquid state, is known as fusion.